Well, for us, this is the science block,
Okay.
also known as the Manoj Pandey block.
Okay.
This is the place where we study science subjects.
Okay.
And for us, there is a speciality about this place. All those guys who study here, they're known as techies.
Techies.
Yes.
What is this techie?
Techie means all those BSc guys who are in science stream, they're known as techies.
Techies.
Yes.
Okay, like the person who's taking arts then
He's called as a non-techie.
non-techie.
Yeah, and someone who's chosen computer science as a subject is called as a super techie.
Super techie. Okay, tell me, how many of you are techie, non-techie, and super techie?
Well, I'm a techie.
I'm a non-techie.
I'm a
You're
super
a non-techie.
I'm a super
I'm a techie again.
टेकी अच्छा ये होता है कि जो टेकी होते हैं और नॉन टेकी को कुछ नहीं समझते हैं इन्फीरियर समझते हैं
Of course they are inferior. No, it's nothing like that.
ओके लेट्स गो नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की पढ़ाई ग्रेजुएट लेवल की पढ़ाई है और एफिलिएटेड है दिल्ली के जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी से एनडीए में 3 ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज हैं बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, बैचलर ऑफ साइंस एंड बैचलर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। लेकिन खास बात यह है कि एनडीए में इस ग्रेजुएशन लेवल की पढ़ाई के साथ साथ शामिल है डिफेंस की ट्राई सर्विस यानी आर्मी, एयरफोर्स और नेवी की बेसिक ट्रेनिंग।
Well, for us, as you have already seen the chemical block and the science department, let me take you to the super techie block.
Okay, now tell me what exactly happens in this super techie department.
Actually, this is the place where we learn more about computers. We learn about the technical upgradations which are going to take place in armed forces. And over here, we get a degree in BSc Computer Sciences.
BSc Computer Science. Okay. Can we just check it out? What's happening?
So how this insert button works out?
In this case, when you click the insert button, the form tag is executed and it will return a value insert. So in this case, we are checking the first length, means you have clicked that button.
We'll now move on to the third point regarding the skills needed by officers of defense forces as system analysts. Now you should have adequate knowledge of say guns, various types of weapons, ammunition, radar systems, and hell lot of other things which we are using in army. And when I say tactical means employing all these things in various terrains, in various tactical situations.
Sir, as system analysts, what will be our role in defense forces?
You will be employed in various management information cells. You will be employed in various defense-oriented software development organizations, whether it is ship or whether it is your battalions in army. Wherever you go, in your own unit, you will be employed. You will be looking after all the computer system, and you will be training. You will be also training your troops.
For us, this is the Department of Basic Engineering and
Okay.
Workshop, where cadets are imparted practical training in various aspects of basic engineering.
Okay.
And for us, mind you, this is the speciality of this place. Nowhere else in India you'll find such basic engineering laboratory.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Okay, tell me, like, is it mandatory for every cadet in NDA?
Yes, of course. Cadet चाहे भी किसी भी stream का हो, he has to come here for one term.
Okay.
Techie, non-techie or super techie comes here for one term and completes his workshop training.
Okay.
Okay, there are various branches like sheet metal shop, fitting shop, automobile shop, wood turning shop. There are all these. So we get to know about the basic idea of all the things which are here.
Okay. For example.
Suppose like if a vehicle gets stuck somewhere, अगर दूर पहाड़ों में अगर आपके पास कोई मैकेनिक वगैरह नहीं है, that time you can detect the problem and you can mend it also. I'll show you. Like, you come.
Okay.
See the parts of an automobile.
Okay. Okay. And now with me is Colonel Khanpur, who is Director Training in National Defense Academy. इनके बारे में एक खास बात हम आपको बता दें कि ये एनडीए के कैडेट रह चुके हैं। आपको उस वक्त की कुछ खट्टी मीठी बातें याद हैं?
ये हमारे जो एकेडमिक इंस्ट्रक्टर होते हैं सिविलियंस जो इधर ही रहते
जी।
हैं, हमारे टाइम का एक इंस्ट्रक्टर होता था मिस्टर केशवानी,
Okay.
और उनको हम कहते थे द एजुटेंट ऑफ द साइंस ब्लॉक, जो विच इज क्रेडिटेड टू हिम एज ही यूज्ड टू से कि कैडेट्स पता नहीं आजकल के कैसे हैं. When I go out alone, nobody salutes me. When I go out with my wife, some cadets salute me. But when I go out with my daughters, all cadets salute me twice over.
Any punishment you recall?
Yeah, of course. I remember the first termer that when we were standing and suddenly a sixth termer came and he was returning from punishment. And as per the NDA tradition, we are made to look down at our buttons so that we don't see a senior being punished. And then the cadet sergeant major said, first termers, look up. Cadet Prasad has finished his 100th restriction here. Please give him a big hand. And we all clapped for him. And today, that officer is a colonel. He commanded his battalion in the valley and he's done very well as one of our finest officers.
Wow, that's really amazing. And on this note, I take a break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Kalka India and we are in National Defence Academy, खड़गवासला. और इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं एनडीए के मनोज पांडे ब्लॉक में, जो साइंस ब्लॉक के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. और अब हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं यहाँ की बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास, जहाँ पे यहाँ की ट्राई सर्विस दैट मीन्स आर्मी, एयरफोर्स और नेवी की सही तालमेल के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. जाहिर सी बात है कि इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग के बारे में जो बताया जा रहा है वो इन कैडेट्स को आगे फायदा पहुँचाएगा जब ये अपने रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड्स में जाएंगे.
It is one unique war in which there was an equal role of Army, Navy and Air Force. It took place between the Britain and the Argentina over a small group of islands called the Falkland Islands. And you can see it's only 400 nautical miles from Argentina and it is 8,000 nautical miles from UK. So what do you think made UK to come all the way from 8,000 nautical miles to win over the Falkland Islands?
Sir, the reason is the nearness of the Falkland Islands to Antarctica, which has got huge untapped oil resources. So in future, the Britishers could set their bases and try to explore those untapped oil resources.
Very correctly brought out.
So I have a question. So whether the credit for British victory goes to its superior army, navy or whether to its air force?
As I just told you, it's a combined effort from the Air Force, Army and the Navy. When the UK moved, they moved in the ships, that is various ships and the aircraft carriers. The air battle near Falkland Islands was done by the aircrafts which were taking off and landing back on the aircraft carriers. When the amphibious operations were carried out, these ships, they made the troops land on the Falkland Islands, and that is when the ground battle took place and they finally took over the island.
क्लासरूम टीचिंग के साथ साथ एनडीए के हर कैडेट के लिए सर्विस ओरिएंटेड ट्रेनिंग बहुत अहमियत रखती है. और इस वक्त हमारे साथ है मेजर मयूर, जो कि इंचार्ज है वेपन ट्रेनिंग के. वो हमें बताएंगे कि किस तरह की ट्रेनिंग यहाँ पर होती है. टेल मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग हैपेंस हियर.
We basically train the 4th term, the 5th term and the 6th term cadets in firing and weapon handling. Apart from that, we also conduct map reading with the help of the compass and the global positioning system.
SP से लेकर 854 का टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है? 4 किलोमीटर. 262 डिग्री. इस एरिया का मैग्नेटिक वेरिएशन अभी का क्या है? 1.5 डिग्री पर ईयर. 1.5 डिग्री पर ईयर.
We teach them fieldcraft, battlecraft, and other such aspects which are useful for a soldier in daily role. Thereafter, we also conduct the close quarter engagement in a last stage of the battle, that is the bayonet fighting, in which the person goes close to the enemy and engages him with his weapon.
And now I am with smart, handsome but scary looking cadet. एक चीज हमें नहीं समझ में आई इस ट्रेनिंग में, आप लोग सारे एक्शंस जो कर रहे थे वो तो समझ में आ गए, लेकिन इतना चिल्ला क्यों रहे थे?
Okay. We are going for the assault.
Okay.
So enemy should be afraid.
During close quarter battle, we have to be so much fiery, so that the enemy, it causes terror in the enemy, and by seeing us only the enemy tries to leave its position.
These are getting officer level UVs.
Hi, I'm Farash from India TV. How are you?
Hi Fraz, welcome to Cadets Mess.
What is the importance of this mess?
This is the biggest mess for its seating capacity in Asia. It can cater for 1,800 cadets at one time. Now I have got my combatants. I have got my 7 JCOs and 9 NCOs. I have got 62 cooks, 120 waiters and 35 masalchis to wash all the utensils. And now let me just tell you about a few more other things about the cadets mess.
Okay.
Now it was built in 1954. If you see on the top are these wooden carvings. Now these depicts the various classical dances of various states of India. You see those foreign countries' flags.
Right.
Now these are the flags of those countries of whose the cadets have undergone training over here or are getting the training in India. Various dignitaries who have visited over here, they are given a lunch oblique dinner in their honor in the cadets mess. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, then Field Marshal Manekshaw, then Queen Elizabeth. And this is the menu card. We get their signatures on this menu card and then we get it laminated. It's as a memoir for us. India is called the lung of the Pune city because of its flora and fauna. And cadets mess is called the heart of the NDA.
And now guys, time to take a short break. We'll be right back. You guys stay tuned because there's a lot more to come. Welcome back. You guys are watching Kal Ka India and we are in National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Pune. आप जस्ट हमारे पीछे देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे हॉर्स राइडिंग एक्सरसाइज चल रही है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग एक्सरसाइज. एट द सेम टाइम इट इज वेरी वेरी स्कैरी आल्सो, राइट?
Exactly. When a cadet comes here, he has a fear factor in him, and this equitation training helps us in overcoming the fear factor.
Faraz, he just now saw a kid falling down. He'll fall once, twice, thrice, but he'll still get up and mount the horse again. This is what builds the confidence.
डर तो लगता है सब हर किसी को, लेकिन एक बार गिरने के बाद फिर वो डर अपने आप चले जाता है. Then we keep on mounting on the horses and keep on falling. That is how we learn.
तभी इसीलिए शेर लिखा गया है, गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चलें. Right.
For us, the same thing happens in swimming pool, 10-meter boards. It's very scary. But when you do it twice, thrice, you get over your inhibitions. You will jump.
In case if you don't jump now, you know the consequences. Not feeling well. Come on, jump, Janet. Ready? So when I say 3, I'll give a count of 3. And you better jump. Okay, take position. 1, 2, and 3.
ओके, और अब हम मौजूद हैं एनडीए के बहुत ही स्मार्ट और हैंडसम कैडेट्स के साथ जिनके पास बहुत सारा टैलेंट है और वो हमें बताएंगे कि यहाँ पे वो मजा कैसे करते हैं।
पूरे दिन में काफ़ी बिजी शेड्यूल रहता है एंड दिस इज द ओनली टाइम व्हिच वी गेट टुगेदर एंड वी एंजॉय इट अ लॉट।
जनरली हम we get together in some course mates cabin, we make fun of each other,
we win a match, and we get a trophy. We tend to have a jam session. Big time. That is the ultimate celebration for us.
So what do you do with that?
We get around in our civilian clothes and just have the loud music system, and the whole squadron is coming there for the dance session. Everybody is free to do whatever they want. We enjoy with our sweets, jalebis, samosas and all that stuff.
Weekend comes on Saturdays and Sundays. Then suppose like somebody's birthday is there during the week, then we get together in cafe or fast food corner and we celebrate it together. We give treat to the whole squad. Otherwise on Sundays we go outside, meet girlfriends and our friends or relatives which are there in Pune.
we generally get together, eat together, have fun together, do mimicry.
तुम मुझे पागल समझते हो? हाँ। मैं पागल नहीं हूँ, पागल नहीं हूँ मैं। और ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है?
सर मुझे एक मौका दीजिए सर। यह धरती मेरी माँ है सर, और यह कहना कहता है कि बंजर है, वीरान है, सिर्फ कांटे और बिच्छू पैदा करती है। मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ सर, अगर कोई माँ खूबसूरत ना हो तो उसके बच्चे उससे प्यार नहीं करते, उसकी पूजा नहीं करते? यह धरती मेरी माँ है सर, मैं ऐसा नहीं छोड़ूंगा।
Very nice, amazing.
हमसे बने रग में हमसे जवान, झूमे आसमां, अरे हम ही तो दुनिया के साथ अजूबे हैं, हमसे है जहां। दुआ 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 आगे सुनाएंगे हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे, जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, वाले दिल आगे सुनाएंगे हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां
Life at NDA is very tough, but at the same time it is very, very exciting also. And I think I'm lucky enough that I became the part of this beautiful NDA family. अब वक्त हो चुका है आपसे इजाजत लेने का, लेकिन जाने से पहले हम आपको ये जरूर बताना चाहेंगे कि हमारा आज का ये एपिसोड एनडीए के ऊपर खत्म यहाँ नहीं होता है। अगले हफ्ते हम एनडीए के ऊपर एक और एपिसोड आपको दिखाएंगे, और उस एपिसोड में हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि किस तरह से यहाँ के फाइनल ईयर जो कैडेट्स हैं अपनी जिंदगी गुजारते हैं, और किस तरह से वो कैडेट्स यहाँ एयरफोर्स, आर्मी और नेवी की ट्रेनिंग हासिल करते हैं। एक बात और, यहाँ पर कभी आपने सोचा है कि एनडीए जहाँ पर इतना स्ट्रिक्ट माहौल होता है, इतना डिसिप्लिन होता है, वहाँ पर कोई कैडेट अपनी क्लास बंक कर सकता है? गाइस, फॉर दिस यू हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच। लेकिन हम आपसे वादा करते हैं कि अगले हफ्ते एक्साइटमेंट डबल होगा, मौज डबल होगी, मस्ती डबल होगी और एडवेंचर भी डबल होगा। फॉर दैट यू हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच, एंड मी फराज शेर साइनिंग ऑफ। आई विल कैच यू नेक्स्ट वीक।